Hey everyone, this is Jenny Garcia, and in this video I'm going to share with you a Project Life process video using the new stamp sets from Everyday Explorers, but I'm also going to use the September kit from Studio Calico, and I'm looking through the cards right now. And this is from last year, from 2021, and as I said before, I don't work in an album and I don't work chronologically when I do Project Life. I work on whatever spread speaks to me at the moment. And I got these journaling cards from the last Studio Calico warehouse sale. They are so awesome. I love this kind of card, so I can journal on them. This is going to be my title card. It's going to be really simple. I usually prefer to do it on a 4x6 card, but since all my 4x6 slots are taken, I have a card, but it's actually covering a photo that it's from my daughter's school, and it has other children, so I don't want to go through the hassle of asking permission and stuff like that. So I just use a filler card for the purpose of the video and the photos, and then I just take it out. And it's really simple. I use the alphas that I got also from the warehouse sale. That little tag came in the kit, and I love that kind of tag and those label stickers that have like a notebook feel to them, but they have two colors. That's really cool. And I'm just going to stamp the dates and use my stapler. And these word stickers are also from the kit, and at first I didn't receive them. I did order an extra one, so when I was like looking through my kit, because I could have sworn that they came in the kit, I noticed that they weren't there, so they sent me another pack. They were really good with their customer service. And these are the labels that I was talking about with the notebook pattern. They have two colors, and in the pack it comes with two sheets. So I got the one from the kit, and I got another one extra. And I love these little puffy stickers. You can get them at Target. They are from American Greetings, and you can find them in the greeting card section. But I have those for like the past 2 years, and I bought another pack this year because I used them a lot, and I love that tiny puffy sticker. I wish they made more. If American Greetings is listening to me, make them for all the seasons, all the designs and stuff like that. And I'm using many of the new stamp sets. I'm using the fall prompts, and I love the prompts. If I could pick only one kind of stamp to buy the rest of my life, it would definitely be the prompts. And this set is called Day by Day Mini, and it has the days of the week. And sometimes I forget, but all you gotta do, if you still have the photos in your phone, you just go to the photo, you scroll up, and it tells you exactly if you want like a day, like the number and the time of the day that you took the photo, where exactly were you, then you can find it there. Otherwise, when I delete the photos, because I have so many things on my phone, I use Google Photos. And that yay is from the Mini Book Makers Club kit, and this month is so good. It's called Find the Magic, and it's a really good everyday stamp set that you can use for Project Life. And this stamp set, I think it says crisp air, no, favorite season. We do love fall. And I added one of those little stickers that are also from American Greetings, and you can get them in the treats for birthdays. I wasn't looking for any of that. I was just walking around and I found them. And since then, I bought them a bunch of times. And I love the day by day stamp because you can get the very bold day of the week, the cursive, the one that is like typewritten and it has an arrow, and then you have like a list of the days. So if you're doing day in the life, this is a set that you would definitely enjoy. And I think I might use it also on my December daily, which I'm gonna start working on it. And I'm like freaking myself out over it, but I also wanted to make a few other things. And I'd like to take photos that are posts and like, hey, look over here, let me take a picture of your outfit or whatever. But I do also love to take photos of my girls doing whatever without looking. I think those are my favorite photos, the ones that they are actually doing something different. Like this one, no one is looking in this photo, but I somehow love this photo, even though I hate that kind of like maze. I don't know why it makes me think about horror movies and like people running and falling and tripping. Like while I was there, I didn't notice that, but then looking at the photos, I was like, oh my god, that's so creepy. But not creepy in like a scary way. I don't know if that makes sense. And I love the puffy ghost from the sticker pad. It has ghosts, pumpkins, and it has bats. And I have a bunch of bats that I haven't used. And we went to a pumpkin patch sort of place. They had a lot of other things. And the weather was crazy that day. It was like sunny, and then it rained a lot, and then it was normal. So in here they bought like a pack of dirt basically, and inside the dirt there is like rocks and crystals and stuff like that. And my oldest loves that kind of stuff, and my little one loves to get dirty. So they were like, you put them through the water and you like shake the box, and then you get your gems out. And this photo, I cut a circle on it because there wasn't really anything going on in the background. And I do that a lot. But I don't do it while they're in a place. It's just that the background was something that there's plenty of pictures of, so I wouldn't miss it. And I love that card from Studio Calico. And I had to use that stamp. It's an old prompt, but I think it's 29 prompts. But it's really good, and it worked with the photo. And I wanted to use those Halloween stickers. I have a bunch of Halloween stickers. And I don't use them as often as I should. So this is why, since I don't do October daily, then this month of October, I'm sorry that didn't zoom in well there. The month of October is my month to use all of those stamps and stickers. And my daughter asked for a picture, which is a miracle because she never really takes pictures, but I think she just liked the door and how it looked like the barn. And I love the photo. I didn't want to add too much to it, and I didn't mind covering the grass because the grass was kind of like, it was plain. And if you want to try stamping on photos, I would suggest the prompt stamps because they are small enough that you can easily cover with a label if you make a mistake. You can also cover it with the little word stickers or some washi tape, or you can just stamp it directly on a label if it makes you feel more safe. And these little word stickers I got, I think last year. I'm not sure if they're from Ali Edwards. I think they're from Studio Calico, but I'm not sure. But they are all Halloween related, so I keep all my Halloween items in one of those little Studio Calico pouches. And since I use them very little each year, it's really easy to find, and I can just keep adding stuff in there. And my daughter got her face painted at the pumpkin patch activity, whatever was happening there. And she also had her Power Ranger costume, but without the masks, because the mask sort of moved and it made it really hard for her to see. So she just wore a regular face mask until she painted her face, and it was a lot easy to stamp that on her shirt since there was a white space on it. And these little card I love, and if it's too simple for you because I'm an over embellisher, just add a little stamping and it works out perfect. A little sticker. And I do love writing my journaling in color using the Tombow Twin Tones. And this is the whole layout. I'm so happy with how it turned out with all. It's weird, it has so much orange and pink, but I'm very happy with how it looks. And I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it helped you out, and if you have any questions, let me know below. And I'm gonna have all the items that I use in my description. They're affiliate links, so you don't have to use them, but they do help a lot, and I'm so grateful for those of you who use it. And thank you so much for watching, and I hope you're having an awesome day. Bye!